there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet an oval with no holes. And this is a common problem crocheters have when they crochet on both sides of a chain. You have these gaps here, especially when you make the three single crochet in each end, and then when you crochet on both sides, you have these gaps right here. And when you stuff your plushie, you have the stuffing showing through. It's not a problem if you just make it like this and you leave it, but for amigurumi, this is a big problem. And today I'm going to show you how to crochet it so you don't have any gaps. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot, and then I'm making a chain, and then we're gonna start crocheting around the chain. So I'm just gonna make a few chains, doesn't matter. And the basic pattern for oval is to crochet like two halves, two semicircles separated by stitches. So you make 3 single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and that will be the first end of an oval. Now if you just make them like this into the stitch, you're gonna end up with a gap like this. So instead I'll show you what to do. Turn your work around and you're gonna see these bumps right here at the back. So we're now working into these two V's at the top. We are going to work into the bumps at the back. So let me see if I can show you closer. It's this one, these bumps. Now we're gonna make 3 single crochet in that bump, and now you can see the bumps better. So it's another chance at the beginning is this bump. Now we're gonna make a single crochet in each stitch. We're gonna try and not pull the loops as much as possible, and then when you reach the last chain, that's where we make the other end of the oval. Okay, so this is the last chain, and we're gonna make 3 single crochet in that chain. So now you see, if you just crochet into it, you're gonna have a gap. So all you have to do is find that bump. The ends are a bit tighter, like so. And in that bump, we're gonna make 3 single crochet. So that's 1, 2. Now we move this end to the other side and just insert the hook through there. 3. And now we're going backwards on the other side of the loops, and because we worked into the back loops, we have these stitches exposed right here unused, and you can use any loop you want from those two, and we just make a single crochet in each from the other side. Now if you make it like this, you see the gap is right there, so you have to choose the loop that is behind and just make your single crochet stitches in there one by one. There will be some spacing, but not as bad as the other one. So now we've crocheted around. I'm just gonna slip stitch to close the round. Let me just find the stitch. Okay, and now let me show you the work. Here you go. There are no gaps in the end where you made 3 single crochet. There are no bumps in the middle, and this is the right side. So on the back side, you're gonna have like a line from the exposed back loops but that's not a problem because when you crochet like this, you have the right side and the wrong side. But compared to a regular crochet around the chain where you have these gaps, this is how it looks like. And just in case you end up with some gaps, let's say you just use your regular crochet and you crocheted in the loops of the chains, you can use the end and weave in and close those gaps. You can use a needle and then you can sew this close from the wrong side, which is this one. But yeah, this is how you crochet an oval without gaps. And I hope this tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions about this pattern, about this tutorial, leave them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help you. Happy crocheting!